Use say for words and tell for giving information to someone. Number one, he blank good morning to everyone. Here it's just the words good morning. No listener is named. So we use say. He said good morning. Number two, can you blank me your name? There's a me here, so a listener is clear. That means we use tell. Can you tell me your name? Number three, she was tired. No listener this time. Just reporting words. Let's say she said she was tired. Number four, please blank me the truth. We say me again. That's a listener. So it's tell. Please tell me the truth. Number five, the teacher blank. Open your books. Words in quotes. No listener mentioned. That's say. The teacher said, open your books. Number six, my friend blank me a funny joke. We have me here, so it's a listener situation. Use tell. My friend told me a funny joke. Number seven, they blank, they love pizza. No listener here, just words. Use say. They said they love pizza. Number eight, don't blank me a lie. There's me again. A listener, use tell. Don't tell me a lie. Remember, use say for words and tell when someone receives info. Okay, so I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work really hard making these lessons. So please like this video and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye.